So guys, as you can see, my 2K is not fucking working. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what is going on. So I start up my game, and it freezes right here, and then in a few more seconds it's gonna start loading up, but then it will freeze again, and then it will stop. You will see what I'm talking about, guys. Just let's see this real quick, guys. Let's see this. Let's see this bullshit. This bullshit ass game. Let's see this, please, guys. So as you see, guys, my game is freezing, and I never had this problem with 2K. All right, there it goes, guys. All right, so let's see what happens after. So right here, it should automatically just start up, and it's not. It freezes again. So I closed my game. As you can see, guys, it's not starting up. Let's restart it again, and let's see what happened again. That I don't, and guys, I never had this problem with my 2K but before, so I do not know why is it starting and why is this happening to me. I've been loyal to 2K for many years, and I didn't want to fuck me over. Pause. So as you see, guys, it freezes again right here, and I really can't do nothing about it. I'm pressing all my controllers. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm pressing on my controllers, and nothing is working, guys. Nothing is literally working. Nothing. I don't know what's really going on. As you can see, it's freezing and it's not loading up. So if you guys know anything about this, if this is happening to any of you guys, please tell me, or please comment on the section down below, and I will reply back. And then you see this, guys, it just closed down my game. So if this is happening to you guys, please comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates, because I'm gonna be giving you guys updates if this is happening to you. This has been Giving with Jay, and I'll see if I could fucking upload a 2K video tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.